Hi everyone, my name is Zara Medina. Today I will make homemade ice cream. The ingredients are sweetened creamer, full cream milk, whipping cream, and Milo. We also use ice cream molder and blender. First of all, we put 5 tablespoons of sweetened cream, Second, we put all of the whipping cream. Third, we put 5 tablespoons of Milo. Lastly, we put full cream milk until the maximum level. Finally, we close it and blend it. Finally, we pour the blended ingredients into the ice cream mold. Now they can put in the freezer. That's all. Bye.